Assalamualaikum, this is Daniel Hashfi. In this video, I'm going to cook Indomie fried noodle with eggs and onion rings. For the main dish, we need cabbage, eggs, onion rings, Indomie, oil and water. First, I am going to boil the water. When it is boiling, we put in the noodle. Then I put the seasonings and sweet soy sauce into a bowl. When the noodle is cooked, I pour it into a strainer to remove the water. Then I put it into the bowl and mix them up. Next, I am going to fry the onion rings in hot oil. Then I cook an egg in hot water for 10 minutes. Then I peel off the eggshells and cut it in half. Now I am going to plate them. I put the fried noodle onto a plate with boiled cabbage. Add on the eggs and the onion rings on the side. For the drinks, I'm going to make hot Milo. I need Milo powder, condensed milk, and hot water. First, I put in 2 tablespoons of Milo powder into a cup. Then 1 tablespoon of condensed milk and hot water. I stir and mix them up. Thanks for watching.